In the last video you will have seen that I was doing a tutorial of sorts. I decided to do something slightly different in that I was recording from a shotgun mic that was plugged directly into the camera via an adapter. And it wasn't the Rode mic that we're recording on right now. When I brought it into Premiere, I found that it only had a mono sound source, and as a result had to find out a way to balance that easily. I attempted in Premiere and it was a little bit buggy and didn't work so well. So in this video we're going to go into how to achieve a balanced stereo sound whilst using Adobe Audition. Okay, so jumping straight into it, if you're like me and you make the mistake of plugging in a mic that ends up recording only mono sound, you can quickly fix this by right clicking on the clip and going up to Edit Clip in Adobe Audition. With that app now open, what you want to do is take note of which channel it is that you are wanting to copy the sound file over onto. In this case it is the right channel, as the left channel is populated. So first things first, you want to create a multi-track, hit OK, drag your audio file into that multi-track, click Alt and drag into a new clip. It'll duplicate that clip, and then you want to go into your clip properties on track 2, go down to source channel routing and click right channel. You will see that this has flipped the data onto the bottom of that track, and that is it onto the right channel. You can double check this by going to levels at the bottom, and when you click play, alright guys, that is the end of you will see that it populates both levels channels rather than just the single one that we were getting originally. Once you're happy with all of the edits that you have placed on your clips, you can then go to File, Export, Export to Premiere Pro, and then instead of export each track as a stem, you want to mix down session to a stereo file. Make sure that Open in Adobe Premiere Pro is selected and hit Export. Once you have done this, you will end up with a file in here. It will prompt you to copy this to the sequence that is open and place in a new audio track, or you can select the audio track you want it placed in and hit OK. When you hit OK, it will bring it in to the selected audio track you had, and then you will notice that it has all of the things that you had prior put in Audition. And if we play through it... Guys, that is the end of today's video. Hopefully you have enjoyed it and found it interesting. If you have any questions or any comments, please leave them in the comment section down below. A like rating would be appreciated, and in the meantime, if you want to see some of my other work, you can find it in the playlist at the end of this video. Until next time guys, keep it real, hunt that thrill, peace.